Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter with raw milk. First, you'll need to separate the cream from your fresh raw milk. Then, we'll churn that cream until it transforms into delicious butter. Finally, to begin, pour your raw milk into a wide, shallow pan and chill it in the refrigerator. Let it sit undisturbed for about 12 to 24 hours. This allows the cream to naturally rise to the surface. Once a thick layer of cream has formed, carefully skim it off using a spoon or a ladle. You'll want to collect as much cream as possible. Before churning, bring your separated cream to room temperature, ideally between 60 and 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the cream into a butter churn or a food processor. Begin churning, and you'll notice the cream thickening, then becoming whipped, and finally separating into solid butter and liquid buttermilk. This usually takes about 10 to 20 minutes. Once the butter has formed, drain off all the buttermilk. Then, rinse the butter repeatedly with very cold water, pressing it with a spoon or your hands until the water runs clear. This removes any residual buttermilk, which helps preserve the butter. Finally, you can add salt to taste, typically about 1/4 teaspoon per stick of butter, mixing it in thoroughly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.